Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my simple wash day routine that promotes a healthy hair growth with just simple products, and that is oil for pre-poo, shampoo for cleansing, conditioner for hair repair, a wide comb, and some hair bands. If this is something which you might be interested with, please stay tuned as I continue to share more about my hair day wash routine. First, I'll take my olive oil or coconut oil, depending with what oil I have, and put in my applicator bottle. Then I'll go ahead, put hot water in a cup and let my oil sit in to heat it up. In the meanwhile, I'll undo my puffs and divide my hair into 4 manageable parts to make it easier to work with. Then I will apply my preheated oil in each part of my divided hair, concentrating more with the roots and the ends and massaging the oil thoroughly. Pre-pooing comes from the term pre-shampoo and helps to restore moisture in the hair, improves hair manageability, and makes the detangling process to be much more easier. Then I'll twist this part I'm working on, tuck it in, and repeat the same to the other parts of my hair. After finishing with all the other parts, I'll put on my shower cap, cover with hair turban, and leave it in to soak for a half an hour. "30 minutes later, and not do on your own weddings. At this moment, I'll go ahead and start to detangle my hair while taking all the time for it. You see, now I can brush. I don't know if you can see. It's a little bit difficult.
Yeah.
After being tender and taking my time, all the knots are out, and I'll continue now with the other parts of my hair. Then I'll go ahead to continue with my washing part. First, I will wet my hair completely. Then go ahead with shampoo. I love this Cantu Shampoo because it's made with 100% natural ingredients. It is a sulfur-free product. Gentle cleanses while moisturizing your hair at the same time, leaving it softer. I usually concentrate more on the roots by scrubbing gentle with the tips of my fingers to remove all the dirt on my scalp while continuing spreading the foam all over the other parts of my hair. Then I'll try to continue the same with the other parts of the hair, trying to clean completely and making sure that the shampoo has covered each and every strand of my hair while washing, and when done, I'll tie up this part and repeat to the other parts of my hair. When done, I'll go ahead and flush all the foam away. I'll continue flushing from the tips to the end while still busy to detangle, because detangling continues as you are washing the hair. And then I'll be trying to make sure that all the soapy foam is completely flushed away out of my hair and my hair is really cleaned.
Sure. Use a towel. Oh, yeah, a towel.
I use a towel to pat dry my hair, and then I'll go ahead and prepare the sink for my next step, which is deep conditioning. This doesn't work, so
Yeah.
I'll do the fingers, again with the two parts. It's a process,
Yeah.
especially not when you want to do a video. I'll scoop a generous amount, rub it, and apply on my hair while massaging thoroughly, and make sure that the roots and every part of the hair also have the conditioner. Then I'll go ahead and comb through with my wide comb, because as I said, the detangling process is continuously. I will also use my hairbrush to make sure that all the knots are out of my hair and my hair is completely detangled. I'll then go ahead, twist that part, leaving the conditioner to stay into the hair and to continue to do its job. With the same process, I'll continue to do the other parts of my hair. After that, I'll take the same plastic shower cap, turn it inside out, I mean the side which I didn't use, wrap it on and cover it once again and let the conditioner sit again in a half an hour. After a half an hour, I'll go under the shower, take off my strands, and try to comb my hair through and it feels nice. It feels more softer than before, and this is the advantage of the conditioner.
Yeah.
I didn't expect it.
Ja, teken voor thee, hè?
Yeah, it also takes time. Then now, it starts.
Ja.
For this last process, I like doing it under the shower because I don't have to do anything anymore. So that afterwards, I can shower and just be ready for my evening or for my day. You see the hair?
Ja, tuurlijk, of course. Nou, je towel.
Huh?
Je towel.
No, moment. I have to put them together with
Yeah.
always. No boobies.
Nee. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Then that is it.
Oh wel, goed zo. Stop.
Moment.
Oké, ja.
So that is it, and at this moment I'll either go ahead to twist or maybe straighten with the blow dry. Bye.